Namaste. I am JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is how to record video lecture. Once limited to a few college classrooms equipped with dedicated audio and visual equipment, lecture capture technologies have evolved to let instructors record course-related video just about anywhere. Today, many auditoriums and classrooms on college campuses are set up to make lecture capture simple. Nearly all of the audio and visual equipment in these spaces impossible to preset for easy, one-touch or even zero-touch lecture recording, enabling teachers to just walk in, press record, and start teaching. Frequently, lectures and other online course content are recorded outside of the classroom too. In most cases, all our teacher needs to record online course materials outside of the classroom in lecture capture software and a laptop with a built-in webcam and microphone or a mobile device. This is one of the best ways to record college lectures. While the lecture capture setup outside of a classroom can also be quite simple with select software and apps, there are a few tricks of the trade that can improve the quality of your recordings. 6 steps for recording your lecture videos. Prepare your lecture and slides. Planning your lecture content and preparing slides in advance can help maximize student engagement. Structure your presentation content in order to help your audience retain more of the material and prune down content in your slides by eliminating anything that duplicates what you are saying in your lecture. Use your slides to enhance your key points, not repeat them. Students will be more likely to pay attention to your lecture and watch it all the way through to the end. Download your lecture capture software or app. You will need to download lecture capture software to your Mac or PC if you don't have it installed already. And if you plan to use a tablet or smartphone to record digital course material, be sure to download the mobile app, providing your lecture capture software has one. Next one is optimize audio and video quality. Your recording equipment will determine any extra equipment or devices you may need to maximize the audio and video in your recording. Choose a quiet, well-lit room or office and position your webcam so that it records your head and shoulders and sits about eye level. In a quiet, well-lit equipment, you should get good enough audio and video from the native microphone and camera in your laptop. Some things to watch out for when recording lecture content outside the classroom. Backlighting. If there is a lot of hype behind you, or you sit in front of a window, you run the risk of looking like a shadow in a webcam video. Low lighting. Webcams have small sensors and tend to make video look choppy and grainy in low light. Loud fans and other background noise. Air conditioners, machines that hum Computers with loud fans and even voices from outside the room can compromise the audio in your lecture video. Visual clutter behind you. Avoid sitting in front of anything that can be busy or distraction to your viewers. This will ensure they focus on the content in your presentation. Thank you.